So recently, Elegoo released what I think might be the best iteration so far of the Elegoo Centauri Carbon, and surprisingly, it comes wrapped in this emoji themed body. And Elegoo has partnered up with the Emoji brand, and if you're like myself here stateside, you might not even realize that there is an actual emoji brand that Elegoo has decided to partner with for this collaboration in this newest iteration of the Centauri Carbon 2. And right off the bat, you are gonna definitely notice that this is a much more family-oriented and themed emoji branded 3D printer from Elegoo, sporting a much lighter gray frame that has a whole bunch of emoji emblems across it. But what's really interesting is that lighter gray body actually is providing a good bit more reflection of light on the inside of the 3D printer while still utilizing the same light source that we're seeing on the Centauri Carbon 2. The other thing that you're gonna immediately notice is that it has a shorter top clear cover that's not only gonna bring in more light, but also makes it much easier to see through the top as your printer is running. But this also means that they've ended up repositioning the canvas system to the side, allowing it to have this shorter top cover. The emoji themes also aren't limited to the exterior of the printer. Also on the touchscreen interface, it is littered with all sorts of different emoji backgrounds and wallpapers and even interactive buttons on the touchscreen display. It also comes preloaded with a bunch of emoji files that you can run off in multicolor print thanks to the canvas system. But if you're interested in printing some of those emoji files, they're also available now over on Nextprint, which is Elegoo's file website. And the real star of the show isn't that you can just print your own emojis, which is fun in itself, but the real star here is this custom build plate that comes with this emoji themed Centauri Carbon. This has one side that is going to be your textured PEI plate, and then on the other is the emoji backed board here that has these little indented emojis that are going to end up printing on the underside of your prints. But why this is so amazing to me is the actual build plate material. I have no idea what this material is. It's kind of a combination between your smooth plate and then one of the cool plates that you can buy. So adhesion is good. It's not as good as those cool plates, but it's definitely better than the smooth one. But I'm just loving the emoji effect that it adds to the bottom of all of your prints. This is just a really fun effect. It's not only just the imprint on the build plate, but again, if you look really closely, you'll see those individual raised emojis on the build plate that are gonna end up on the bottom of that print. Elegoo, I'm begging you, like, please offer this as a standalone product. Like, the emoji machine in itself is awesome. All the updates with this, I'm really hoping we see a CC2 version of this with the clear top and a smaller hood, side mounted. The better lighting, thanks to the gray panels, I think is a brilliant touch there, just so you can visually see better inside of this. But this build plate, I have no idea what this material is, but it is awesome. I'm really loving how well the adhesion works with this. And again, that textured effect that you get on the bottom of your prints. Now, in order to test this out, obviously I'm gonna be printing some emojis on this emoji themed 3D printer. However, I wanted to try and print something really unique and different by creating my own emoji themed vending machine for my studio. This is where Hybe3D and his Gachapop vending machine comes into play. This is a fully 3D printable capsule vending machine that you can then print your own individual capsules or buy capsules and then load them up with your own 3D printed toys or other things that you want to load up in your own printed vending machine. Now, originally I was just gonna print all of the parts in an emoji colored themed using some of the emoji filament that Elegoo sent along with the printer. This is also RFID backed that works with the canvas system, so it'll automatically sync up to the printer and detect what filament it is and color and all that good stuff. But I then realized, you know what would be even more fun is to utilize some of the multicolor capabilities of this and that special build plate by imprinting into the build plate some emojis on top of an emoji themed skin. And I figured this would finally give me an opportunity to test out the Mesh Graffiti Online tool that allows you to import your own 3D files and then imprint designs directly into your 3D files for multicolor 3D printing. So I brought some of the files into Mesh Graffiti, defined what color I wanted them to be printed in. I could then upload the emoji artwork that I had created, scale it up to the size that I wanted, and then stamp that directly into the model. There are also other tools built into this so that you can clean up the stamping afterwards so that you can remove any excess stamped areas that you don't want to have included. So in this case, I only wanted the stamped imprint to be on the very first layer of this print to help minimize the multicolor print time and waste that this was going to be producing. This allowed me to go from an estimated 10-hour print down to a 3-hour print for some of these parts. And in order to get all of the parts printed, I enlisted the help of not only the Emoji Themed Centauri Carbon, but the Centauri Carbon 2, as well as the original Elegoo Centauri Carbon that I had recently upgraded with the Canvas system add-on. This allowed me to print all of these parts in just under 2 days, which is just insane. I also needed to print a whole bunch of emojis that I could give away as part of this vending machine, so I scaled those down to size and got those all printed. I also wanted to give a shout out to Elegoo for sponsoring this video, where they are the makers of all of these different varieties of the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D printers that basically fits any of your potential needs when it comes to 3D printing or getting started with 3D printing. These are fantastic machines to get going on because of how affordable they are, build quality, and how reliable they are when it comes to printing and producing some fantastic looking 3D prints. I also have links down below where you can find out more details about this collaboration with Elegoo and Emoji for this Emoji branded 3D printer, but I'll also be showing off very soon the brand new Centauri 2, not to be confused with the Centauri Carbon 2. This is going to be the open framed version of the Centauri Carbon 2 that comes in at an even more affordable price point for anybody that's not looking to print with any of those high temp materials and just looking to print with PLA, PETG, and TPU. Now, for the Gachapop, there are a lot of parts that you are going to end up having to go through and print, but nothing that the Centauri Carbon couldn't handle here. There are some parts that I ended up printing in PETG. There are some really detailed guides on what parts need supports, what parts you should print in PLA versus PETG, etc. Just follow the guide and it should go relatively smoothly here. Everything was printed at a 0.2 layer height as well, but look at the results of the imprints that we did using the graffiti app. This just looks so cool. I am loving the end results that we're seeing here from that. And again, everything was just printed on that first layer versus doing a multiple buildup. So it really helped cut down on the overall print time and the amount of purged material. The other awesome thing is there are a whole bunch of these side panel options that you have to choose from. I went with the basic honeycomb option because it's going to be the one that's going to help show off the capsules, I think, the best. But it's time for us now to get this all assembled. This Gachapop fully 3D printed and mechanical vending machine from Hy-Vee 3D turned out absolutely amazing, coming off of these Centauri Carbons here. I'm honestly kind of blown away that this did not require any glue whatsoever. Everything is fully 3D printed, all of the mechanical parts of this. And one of my favorite parts is that it has a super satisfying vending machine sound after you insert the coin and turn the handle. Now the only thing left to do is get this loaded up with a whole bunch of prizes. This just turned out so amazing here, this fully 3D printed Gachapop vending machine that I've emoji branded with some Uncle Jessy logos, some spools of filament. I've got the Elegoo logo hidden in here as well. It's just a really great way to showcase what the Centauri Carbon can do. And I'll now have a whole bunch of these little prizes that I can give away to anybody that comes and visits the studio. And this holds just over 100 of these little plastic capsules. You can even 3D print your own capsules if you want, but I figured the easiest way to do this was to just buy a whole bunch of these in bulk off of Amazon that I'll have linked down below if you're interested in building one of these for yourself. I'll also have a $5 discount on the files for this from Hy-Vee 3D that I'll have listed down below if you're interested in printing one of these for yourself, or they even have a light version, which is an even smaller variation of this exact project here. I even tried 3D printing some of my own coins for this as well, using that graffiti plugin, and let's get ourselves a little prize. Oh. Pop it open and see what's inside. It's the little smiley face with a wink and a tongue sticking out. Oh, that's nice. And let me know in the comments down below what kind of 3D printed items you think I should be printing off and including inside of my Uncle Jessy themed Gachapop fully 3D printed vending machine. I also want to say a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters for your continued support, me making videos just like this one here. If you're interested in more information about my Patreon, you'll find links to that down below. And I still can't get over just how well this fully 3D printed Gachapop vending machine turned out that I printed on my Elegoo Centauri carbons. And if you're interested in more information about the Emoji Elegoo themed Centauri carbon, you'll find links to that down below. And I just want to say thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Oh yeah. I seriously love how this coin crank mechanism sounds when turning it. It is just so satisfying.